Here at the Nature Center, our main focus is to learn and have fun. Swift Nature Camp is not like school, we learn hands-on. So we explore nature with nets and microscopes and even telescopes. Our camp zoo here is a favorite because campers get to come over and play with animals like Mo here, the bunny, and many other of our camp animals. You even can adopt them for the whole time that you're here, feeding them and watering them and cleaning their cages. During one of our recent outings on a bog, a camper discovered a rare and endangered type of carnivorous plant, much like a Venus flytrap. It was an exciting day for everyone. So now let's take a look at some of the things that you'll do at our Nature Center.
Children are enticed to learn about the environment through their own natural curiosity, experimentation, and discovery, rather than a classroom lecture. Swift Nature Camp places a very strong emphasis not only on developing a desire to know more about nature, but also on acquiring a deep respect for it. Our educational philosophy is to engage children in meaningful, fun-filled learning. Through active participation, it's a child's natural curiosity and self-discovery that makes this program work. Our own Nature Center provides a dynamic setting for learning as campers find themselves doing science experiments, conducting environmental testing, learning about the local wildlife, or participating in our camp recycling program. Hey, we use worms! A unique pond aquarium known as Kermit's House gives kids a chance to see pond life from a frog's point of view, while our Nature Neighbors live animal collection provides opportunities for close-up study and care of several common Northwoods residents, as well as a few exotic immigrants. Campers with their own small animals are encouraged to bring them to camp. Working in conjunction with the Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources and the U.S. Park Service, Swift Nature Camp has developed a hands-on environmental learning program, which includes field trips such as visits to a fish hatchery and state parks, hands-on field projects like goose banding and butterfly counts, and exciting camp presentations, ranging from visits with live owls to learning how professionals manage a forest fire. The kids don't just watch the excitement, they're in the middle of it, having fun.
My third year at Swift Nature Camp. I love the Nature Center because they have so many different types of animals, from hedgehogs, like Bubba here, to cats, all the way to Capri the goat.
I like the Nature Center because there's lots of animals you could always play with, and you're allowed to bring pets here while you come. Last year I brought my two bearded dragons, and they really liked it here. It was really fun.